Okay, this is team A. Question number 1. When did Quaid-e-Azam acquire Flagstaff House?
1943.
1943. Correct answer. Question number 2. Which educational institute did Quaid first join in England?
Lincoln's Inn.
Very good. Correct answer. Question number 3. When did Quaid change his surname from Jinnah Bhai to Jinnah?
1893.
1893. Correct answer. Be generous. Okay. Question number 4 from team A. Who had invited Quaid-e-Azam to join Muslim League?
Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar.
Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. No, it's for them. Correct answer. Question number 5. When was Quaid elected to Imperial Legislative Council of India?
1900.
1900? No, it's incorrect. It's 1909. Question number 6. Where was the title of Quaid-e-Azam for Muhammad Ali Jinnah announced? कहाँ अनाउंस किया गया था टाइटल?
लखनऊ.
No, it's incorrect. So, out of 6 questions, I think 4 answers are correct. 4 are correct. Clapping for them. Okay, now I'm going to ask questions from team B. Again, I'll ask 6 questions from team B as well. And let's see if they are going to win or what will happen. Okay, ji. Team B, first question from you. When did Quaid return from England after completing his education?
1896.
1896, correct answer. Question number 2. Whom was Quaid first introduced as a lawyer? Whom was Quaid first introduced as a lawyer?
General Advocate Sir Macpherson.
Yes, correct, Macpherson. Correct answer. Question number 3. When did Quaid leave Congress?
1920.
1920. Correct answer. Question number 4. Who had tabled Pakistan resolution?
A.K. Fazl Haq.
A.K. Fazl Haq. Correct answer. Question number 5. When was All India Muslim League Students Federation founded?
December 1837.
December? Sorry?
1937.
1937. Correct answer. Question number 6. This is the last question from team B. Which was the last public function attended by Quaid-e-Azam?
State Bank of Pakistan. Ceremony of State Bank.
The opening ceremony of State Bank Pakistan. Correct answer. So all 6 answers of team B are correct. So the winner of this round is team B.